2013 Polaris Sportsman 400, and this is where the idle screw is at. It is not in a very convenient location at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you where it's at, and then how you get to it and how you adjust it depending on your hand size will come into account. So first thing you're gonna do is just to show you, you don't have to remove the seat, but I'm just gonna show you, there's a latch right here. Take and undo that latch, and then remove your seat, put it away. And so right down in there, that's your carburetor, and the screw, you can barely see it. It's this piece right there, a little tiny screw. So you can put your hand, make sure your engine's cooled down, maybe if you try this the first time, because your engine could be hot and burn you. So you can see a little tiny, oh, let me find it again, screw. You can take and you can wiggle your hand up into there. I don't know if you can see my finger. Let me see if I can adjust it. See my finger's touching it? That's your idle screw. So you can either go in underneath right here, or if you have small hands as well, you can go in just right through here and get to it. It's a pain in the butt. The easiest way, if you have big hands, is gonna be to take off one of your breather hose for your clutch, but that takes a lot more work. If you can have a kid or a wife or just somebody in your group with small hands, just reach in there, and like I said, it's that. It's hard to see. Let me try and get my camera to focus on it again. It's that little tiny screw right there at the bottom of your carburetor. If you have any questions, let me know.